Hi, I'm Mason, and I'm here with
Kira, Brenna, and Adriana.
Welcome to Superior Cycle on Mr. Blatt's Technology and Manufacturing class.
What did you do and learn in this class?
We learned how to use tools in the wood shop and make scale models. We did a lot with math.
We learned about technology and manufacturing.
What do you like about Mr. Blatt?
I like that he's a very flexible and understanding teacher. He knows how to joke around. And yeah, he lets us enjoy ourselves while still being on task.
I like that he's really laid back and easy to talk to. He's also really funny, and I enjoy that.
He's really chill. He doesn't really cause problems, and yeah, he's a great guy.
Why do you like this class?
Because he lets us have fun and do our work.
I get to experience new things.
I like cutting wood.
I liked that we learned a lot of things that are going to translate into the real world and we can use in the future. And I think it's really important to learn about how to make scale models and how to do a lot of stuff with engineering because you can use it for real world jobs.
What do you want the kids to learn in this class?
I want my students to learn that things are designed. Someone thought about it. Someone came up with an idea. It should be functional. It should be attractive. And it's not just coming from nature.
What is your favorite unit to teach?
I like teaching the automaton project. I think that it's fun that at the end of the project, students have successfully built something that they're pretty happy with and somewhat frustrated too.
Where'd you go to college?
I went to Miami University in Ohio.
Did you play any sports growing up?
Played a lot of tennis and volleyball too.
If you can go anywhere in the world, where would you go?
Barcelona, Spain.
Which marking period was your favorite?
They're all equally wonderful.
What's your favorite color?
Lavender.
Wow, did you know that there's a Miami State University in Ohio? I don't think anyone did, but Mr. Blatt did.
Thank you for watching
And see you next time
on WMS TV.